Hazel and welcome to my channel. Today I have a pretty exciting video, but as always I am very late to the game, and yeah, today I'm testing out magnetic eyelashes. And of course I'm sure you've seen it online. It was all over Facebook, it was all over Instagram. It's like, you know, magnetic eyelashes. What a cool idea. And I've always wanted to try them, but never really had like the chance to. So I was so kindly sent some by this company called BelleChloe to try them out. This video is not sponsored, but we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna give you my full-on honest opinion, what I think, because as far as I've seen online, there's many mixed reviews, good, bad. So I'm gonna test it out today. I feel super naked now because I do not have any eye makeup on. I didn't want to put liner, I didn't want to do too heavy of an eyeshadow because I really want the spotlight to be on the lashes. So we're gonna test it out. I've got the worst lashes ever, so I'm really excited. Basically, my Asian lashes do not stay upright, so we're going to see if they give me more life, these lashes, and hopefully they're easy to put on it and that I won't fumble too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl both lashes, and then I'm gonna put mascara on one side and not on the other, so we'll see how they work. Because when I usually put on false lashes, I like to put mascara first, but if this works both ways, I'll be pretty impressed. So I think without further ado, let's unbox this and see what's inside, because I know they're eyelashes, but I haven't actually opened them yet. So it says wake up and makeup. I don't know if you can see that because my light is just like, because winter is coming and it's getting dark, which is getting hard for me to film, and yeah, it's just really dark outside. So let's open it up. It's in this little packet, which I thought was so cute. Ooh, another box. It feels like Christmas already. It says wake up and makeup, good morning. And then they've got instructions at the back about how to put the magnetic eyelashes on. Ooh. Okay, so I've got like a box and something else. I've got this cute little box. Oh my god, it comes in a cute little container. I'm so happy. Oh, and then, oh, okay. One of these, which I do not own, which, yeah, that's cool. And a little thing to teach you how to put them on. Okay, so there are two ways to apply them. One with the applicator and one with your fingers. Oh, that's interesting. So there are top ones and bottom ones. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna put mascara on this eye. I'd also say the component's pretty cool. Like, if you, can you see that? How it sticks on? So like, you know that you won't lose them. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's like magnetic to the container as well. I think out of all the magnetic lashes I've seen, this is probably like the coolest, because they've got like a thing. And so I'm just getting one of these tiny ones. Oh god, it's falling off. And I'm gonna attach them. Yeah, so that kind of didn't work. We're gonna go again. They're adhering to my eyelashes pretty well. It's just like not can you see? It's so far apart from like my eye line. I'm gonna try with the applicator and hopefully we'll have a little bit more luck because I'm already like doing a really bad job. Okay, so like it's magnetized to the applicator, which is pretty cool. And then if we just attach, I wish I could show you guys what I'm actually doing, but it's a little bit hard. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to place the bottom lashes to line up with the top so that we can clamp straight down onto my eye and hopefully it works. Ah, okay, I think I got it. Okay. Whew. Let's go. It's not happening. It's not happening. Right, okay. Okay, that's the best I can do. Ready? I think I did it. I think I did it. Oh my gosh, I did it. Can you guys see? That is kind of stuck on there real well. I think it definitely helps with the applicator. But I mean, it really takes some time getting used to it. Okay, now I think we're gonna try with this eye. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use the applicator because I don't think there's any hope doing it with my hands. Okay, so we're placing it down like so. Can you see? It's stuck on there. It doesn't come out. Okay, somehow they're adhering much better for this eye. Like maybe I used it the wrong way just now. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna test it out now. This is the one with mascara. So put it on there and clamp. Right, so something went wrong. Okay, I got the last bit to clamp, which feels good. Like it feels like it's not gonna come out, but the front bit I need to do a little bit more playing with. Let's see. Okay, this needs to be like a two-man job. All right, so I'm just gonna hold this one down. Did I do it? Doesn't look like I did it. No. Come on. There we go. Oh my gosh, I think I did it. I did it. Yes. So that is it with mascara. That's how it looks. And this is it without mascara. So these are the lashes on now. They're pretty comfortable actually. Like I don't feel like I've got magnets in my eyes. I mean, they feel like how wearing false lashes would be wearing. To be honest, I think like the side without mascara is pretty cool because my lashes don't like seem to be blending well with it, and I guess it's because you're clamping them in between. However, it does look obvious. Like the magnets look obvious on this side, and the side with mascara, I'd say like it helps to blend it in a little bit more. I mean, you can still see it like up close that there are a little bit of magnets, but I guess it kind of looks the same as if you were wearing lash glue. But yeah, I'm pretty surprised. It takes a little bit of getting used to, of clamping them and things like that. But when they're actually on, I do like them, and I'm quite confident to say that they will not like come off. You know, I don't know if they'll come off as easily as normal falsies with lash glue and everything, but they are really comfortable to my surprise. I'm not gonna do a wear test because I'm pretty sure they'll stay on. This one, I definitely got closer to my lash line. This one needs a little bit more help on this eye. But I would say, like, without this applicator, I probably wouldn't have been able to do it because it was just too hard with my fingers. And honestly, with kind of a learning curve, I think it took about as much time or even more time than if I were to use normal lashes and lash glue. I think it's a really cool concept though. I'm not so sure about anything to do with magnets near your eyes, but they're itty bitty and quite comfortable. So yeah, that's what I think. I feel like if you want to try them out to wear them and stuff, then yeah, get them. But if you're comfortable with your false lashes and just doing it like you usually do, then I'd say stick with those. These are probably good for people who want to have false lashes but maybe are allergic to latex and stuff. I mean, there are latex free glue, but like, you know, if you just aren't comfortable with putting glue near your eyes. But this, I'd have to say, this does have quite the learning curve. I mean, even though, to be fair, like, I did it pretty quickly with the applicator, but I feel like I got lucky. Do you know what I mean? Like, I feel like the next time I do this, it won't look the same. So that is my review of magnetic lashes. I still think they're pretty cool concept. And I really want to try the magnetic eyeliner ones that stick on to lashes. I think that looks really cool. Okay, and to peel it off, I'm just gonna hold and pull. And they come off pretty easily. There's a slight pull on my eye, but not anything like I'm not used to in taking out false lashes. And the bits are just stuck to each other, so you just kind of pull them apart really and store them. Cute! And if you do want to get your hands on this set, everything you need to know will be linked in the description box below. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it useful. I hope it answered all your burning questions about magnetic eyelashes. And I guess that is about it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and comment down below what else you'd like me to try. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!